The pigeonhole principle says that if there are m pigeons and n pigeonholes, and let us assume that m is greater than n, that is number of pigeons are more than number of pigeonholes, then to accommodate the pigeons there must be at least one pigeonhole where there are more than two pigeons accommodated. Say for example here, if there are three pigeons and there are only two pigeonholes, 1 and 2. Now I will accommodate first pigeon in this first hole. Let us assume that second pigeon in second hole. Now there is one more pigeon where it has to be accommodated, either in first hole or in second hole. So let us assume it in first hole itself. Now at least one pigeonhole has more than one pigeons in it. So this is nothing but pigeonhole principle. Now if I take example on this, say let us say that there are 12 pairs of socks and each pair is different in color. Okay? And if a person draws socks one by one randomly, determine at most how many draws are required to get at least one pair of matched socks. Now say there are 12 colored socks, there are 12 pairs and there are 12 different colors for each pair. Now in general there are 24 socks. If I count it as single, then it will be 24, that is 12 pairs. Now let us assume that we are picking it randomly one by one. Okay, now I can pick first, then second, so on up to 12. Now let us assume that I have picked all different colors. Okay, now if I take 13th, socks, then this 13th socks must match with one of these 12. Am I right? Because there will be 12 plus 12. Now I have already picked 12 different colors. Now 13th must be, it must match with one of these 12. So there are 13. The required answer is 13. That is, at most 13 draws are required to get at least one pair of matched socks. Thank you.